Good morning, all of you. Welcome in my channel, Uday Kantroy Physics. In previous video of class 11, I had discussed about acceleration of body on inclined plane, angle of friction, angle of repose. When the object has to move upward, so what will be the work done? In this video today, we will discuss about the banking of road. क्या? Banking of road. What do you mean by banking of road? Banking of road is a phenomenon to raise the one end of the road with respect to inner edge, outer edge with respect to inner edge. Maybe you have seen where you have to take the circular path, or either you are going in the hilly areas. So where you take the short turn, so that side, one side that is slope, that road is not a plane, that their road is something that is inclined. So that phenomenon is called, what is it? Banking of road. Why does road is banked at circular turn, circular path? To avoid the accident of the vehicle. Suppose a fast moving vehicle is there, so how to control their speed? Because whenever you know that when a body moves on the circular path, there is centripetal force act. So to provide the centripetal force, how the speed of the car or speed of the vehicle is controlled, so that to a accident caused due to the fast moving object or vehicle can be avoided. So see there, that is called banking of road. Banking of road. What I told, he add the C there. Suppose that this is the banking of road is there. This is a plain road. So this is the vehicle. Suppose that this is the vehicle is there. So in such a case, what is that? You know that this is the action, weight, or this is the reaction. Action and reaction both are equal. Where? On plain road. But where the road takes sharp turn. So here, this road is not a plane. This is the called inner. This is called inner edge, or this is called outer edge. Inner edge and outer edge. So outer edge is raised with respect to inner edge through some angle. Means this side something road is there, means on circular turn road is not plane, it will be like inclined, because which side that had to take the turn, that is made the slope is there. Why that? What happens? Because, or if you see there, already I told to avoid the accident. तो यहाँ पर देखो कि suppose that this is the vehicle is there, so here this is the vehicle of this position will be like this. Okay, or you know that weight is a vector quantity. The weight तो always acts in downward direction. Weight. A normal reaction that should be, this is the position of just opposite to the, this is a normal reaction position is there, but the direction of the normal is, because normal reaction means it should be perpendicular to the plane. So R is inclined through angle theta, whatever angle the road is had to be bent. So see there कि R has the two components, so these components will be R cos theta, or this component will be R sin theta. Okay. At the same time, between, see there, another figure I am drawing. In case of the friction, this is road is there, this is plain road by there, but here already I told the road is banked. So here with vehicles and road, one force acts. This is called force of friction. This is called force of friction is there. So suppose that this is the force of friction. In case of the vehicle, this is the vehicle is there. The force of friction acts. This is the force of friction. F is there. F is the force of friction is there. Okay. This is the F is the force of friction. So in such a case, so one component of force of friction will be what is that? Or this is the another components will be there. This is the angle theta. So this will be angle also theta. So this component will be F cos theta and here F sin theta. So actually we are taking here the components of weight, the normal reaction of the vehicle, and this is the force of friction in there. Okay. So those students who are able to understand the figure, there will be no problem to solve it. Okay. So M, suppose that M is the mass of vehicle. Mass of vehicle. So weight of vehicle, what will be the weight of vehicle? Weight of vehicle, what is that? mg. Okay. V we have taken V the speed of vehicle. Speed of vehicle. And R we are taking radius of circular path, where the road is banked. Suppose that R is the radius of the circular path. So what I told, किसी there in equilibrium क्या होगा इक्विलिब्रियम में कि सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स acts on vehicle is provided by net force towards center. So centripetal force formula what is that? mv square by r. Centripetal force, this is the mv square by r. Net force provided by acting towards the center. The towards the center what is? R sin theta, or this is the f. So r sin theta plus f cos theta. This you take equation first. And second one, still the vehicle is over the road. So it means upward force will be equal to the downward force. The upward force what is it? R cos theta. And second one, r cos theta is equal to mg or f sin theta. The mg plus f sin theta. So that here we can write mg is equal to, this is mg is equal to r cos theta minus f sin theta. This is the equation. Okay. Now divide equation first and second. क्या होता है? Dividing equation first and second. Dividing first and second. So what will be there? See, mv square by r upon mg. Okay. This is the mv square by r upon mg. So that side, this is left side, right side, what will be that? R sin theta plus f cos theta upon r cos theta minus f sin theta. See there, m or m that will be cancelled, so this side will be v square by rg, and this side, because we have to bring, because friction acts between the vehicle and road also, so in terms of coefficient of friction, to bring it, क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड कर दो r cos theta से ऑल टर्म में, तो व्हाट विल बी दैट, r sin theta upon r cos theta plus f cos theta upon r cos theta upon, see there, r cos theta upon r cos theta minus f sin theta upon r cos theta. See there, r to r cancel, so sin by cos what will be, tan theta, or cos to cos cancel, तो f by r what is that, mu, और r cos theta r cos theta cancel, f by r mu tan theta. This is it. So you have to bring the v square, तो v is equal to that will be क्या हो जाएगा, rg tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta square root. This is the value of speed of vehicle at the banking of road. So see there, here we are considering the coefficient of friction also. So this is called V max. That is called what is it? V max. V मतलब maximum speed. What will be the maximum permissible speed, so that the vehicle will not get accident at the circular path. So this is the speed in there. So you have seen here main banking of road, what is that? The phenomenon to raise outer edge of the road with respect to inner edge at the circular path. Why it is raised? To avoid the accident, so that the vehicle adjusted their speed with accordingly centripetal force, because whenever the vehicle takes the sharp turn, their circular turn, it means the centripetal force acts there. At the same time, the coefficient of friction also acts between the vehicle and the road is there. So frictional force is also, force is vector quantity, so that you have to take the components also, frictional force components is there. It means that is the two components acts towards the center. कौन कौन सा है, r sin theta और f cos theta. So net force acting towards the center is provided by the centripetal force. So centripetal force formula you know that, mv square or net force this or that. Now a still vehicle is over the road, so that upward force and downward force both will be equal. The upward force r cos theta here only, r cos theta upward force, or here is the downward, what is that? In case of the downward, see there, mg, or here f sin theta is there. So we have added here, and mg we have brought one side, or then we have divided. Here why we are dividing that r cos theta? Because we have to bring in terms of coefficient of friction. अब इसी में कहता है यार कि बताओ ऑप्टिमम स्पीड क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी द ऑप्टिमम स्पीड, क्या चीज, ऑप्टिमम स्पीड एट द सर्कुलर पाथ, ऑप्टिमम स्पीड क्या होगा, ऑप्टिमम स्पीड मींस विदाउट बियरिंग एंड टीयरिंग ऑफ द टायर, without wearing and tearing of the tire, so that here we have to avoid the coefficient of friction. So if you avoid the coefficient of friction, तो what left है, see there, इसी को हम लिख देते हैं v naught r g tan theta, because here that is the plus 0 will be there, यहाँ पर भी देखो 1 minus 0 will be there, or that is the root. So this is called optimum, r g tan theta. This is the optimum speed. Optimum speed means without wearing and tearing of the tire, because if the more friction will be there, in such a case the tire of the vehicle will be wasted. So that कहता है wearing and tearing, मतलब कैसे ज्यादा बर्बाद ना हो, तो इसका मतलब फ्रिक्शन को नेग्लेक्ट करना होगा. तो आफ्टर नेग्लेक्टिंग द फ्रिक्शन, दिस इज द V naught is equal to Rg tan theta. So you have seen this is the about the banking of road. Again I am telling that all of you see my video, subscribe it, and see there कि what is the main facts are there. Whenever we are making the video, don't cram it, see concept. Okay, thank you all.